Hello students. So this is a question from electronics and only very basic knowledge of electronics. For example, KCL and KCL is required. KCL and KVL is required to solve this. And here a voltage source is given. You can see voltage V and ammeter is connected and current I is going. So current I will go up to this, and after this there is a current source. So at this point what will happen? Here current will be I plus I naught. According to KCL, at this node both current will combine, and this is resistor R. Okay. Now we have got a closed circuit, and I can apply KVL now. Just apply it from here. Minus V, and then only this resistor is there, plus I naught R is equal to 0. So this is the closed loop, and I have to plot between I and V. So it will be minus V plus IR plus I naught R is equal to 0. So IR is equal to V minus I naught R, and I is equal to V by R minus I naught. So this is the equation that we got. If you see y is equal to mx plus c, so obviously the slope is positive, m is equal to 1 by r. So line will be like this. Okay, this is negative slope, this is rejected, and intercept is minus I naught. That means it should intersect somewhere negative of the y axis. So here it is negative, in any other case it is not negative. So this is the line intercepting at the negative of this y axis. So this is the correct option. This is the equation. Okay, thank you so much.